Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious jalapeno cornbread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of buttermilk. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1/2 cup of melted unsalted butter. For that signature kick, prepare 2 to 3 fresh jalapenos, finely diced, and 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt ready. Now let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your cornmeal, flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Make sure they are thoroughly combined. In a separate bowl, whisk the buttermilk, eggs, and melted butter until smooth. Next, pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently just until everything is moistened. Be careful not to overmix. Finally, gently fold in your diced jalapenos and shredded cheddar cheese, distributing them evenly throughout the batter. It's time to bake. First, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, generously grease a 9-inch cast iron skillet or an 8x8-inch baking dish. This helps prevent sticking and ensures a beautiful crust. Carefully pour your prepared batter evenly into the greased pan. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes, or until the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Enjoy that wonderful aroma. To achieve the best texture, allow your cornbread to cool in the pan for about 10 minutes before slicing and serving. This helps it set properly. For an extra layer of flavor and texture, consider adding 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen corn kernels to your batter. You could also incorporate cooked, crumbled bacon for a delicious savory twist. This versatile cornbread is perfect served warm with a hearty bowl of chili, a comforting soup, or as a delightful accompaniment to your favorite barbecue dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.